Hey guys, happy Wednesday to you. We're back in this Alpha Beasts book. This is what I'm drawing from. Getting inspiration for Halloween. I like this cat. He's adorable. So we're going to draw him using the letter Y. So it says to do the Y, then to do the line across with like that for eyes, and then to do these like ears. And put the nose in, and then the mouth, right? And then the rest of the head, and then the body, feet, tail. We're just going to do him. He is super cute. His name is Yug. And where's my pen? Pen. I'm continuing to go with orange paper. The last one was a bit fluorescent. Started on a little piece of orange paper. Now we're going to do a little bit bigger piece of orange paper. And then for the finale, we're going to do a great big piece of orange paper. These two are the same color, apparently. Because I think on the last day, I'm going to put two characters. So he needs to have his face over here because his body needs room. His body needs room. All right, let's zoom in. And we're going to start with the letter Y. Right? Looks good. So then he gets a couple of lines like that. Gets his eyes like this. Can make those lines a little longer with like that for the eyes. Then he gets little nostrils like so. He gets some under eye bags because he is a sleepy kitty just like me. And he gets an kind of almost a bat ear kind of an ear. And then this one, for some reason, has a chunk taken out. He must have been trapped and released. Then the next step is these ears get like that. He gets mouth across like this with a couple of teeth and some freckles. He only had 3 freckles. Mine has more than 3 freckles. Then the rest of the face comes down and around like that. Down and around like that. And give him a scar on his face. And next he gets a body. His body is going like this. My cat has his body goes upward, but that's okay. And he gets some chin whiskers. And he gets some little side wispies. And maybe a few here. A couple down there. Okay. Now we draw the tail that comes like that, and 2 feet like this. Then we draw like that for his feet. And then he has set of feet. With little, like that. Boy, my cat has had, he's caught a few things and has really chonked up compared to the sample, but that's okay. He can be a chunky cat, right? Absolutely. And then we put some random stray, because he's a little scruffly. And he has some shading here on the back leg. And we'll put his face a little more like that. We're going to give him a little bit of color because he needs some color. But he's not going to be a normal colored cat. He is going to be this color. He's going to be a turquoise cat. Kind of a turquoise cat with light blue. Absolutely light blue face. He needs cat eyes are usually kind of a yellowy or a yellowy green. Go into my yellows. That one maybe. Ooh, stuck. Okay. That is not the eye. I just colored the nose a yellowy color. Why did I do that? I don't know. But apparently that's what it wanted. Because go with and then we need some highlights. Where'd my white pen go? I just had it. There we go. actually. I like that. I'm going to give him a ground to stand on. We're going to sign him. And his name is Yug. There we go. Isn't he cute? He's cute. Now, did I draw him as cute as the guy in the book? No. Could I get there eventually if I kept practicing? Probably. But there's the sample. There's my guy. I like him. He's fun. And he was fun to draw. And look at 11 minutes. Quick and easy. And I think that was absolutely adorable. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.